Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how I'm gonna put down my beautiful Christmas tree. You know what? I'm not gonna put down the Christmas tree. I'm just gonna put down the Christmas decoration and left the tree so I can get some stuff for Valentine's and decor it because I'm in the Valentine's mood. What do you think? Right? Is a good idea? So we're gonna do that. We're gonna put some Christmas decoration down and get some Valentine's stuff and put it on the tree. So let's get into it. Yoo-hoo! I'm in love with this peacock. Do you watch that video of how I make it using trash cardboard? What do you think I'm gonna do for the next year? I have this clear box from Target. I'm gonna storage my Christmas decoration here so that way I can see well what I have for the next year. I'm gonna leave some Christmas ball ornaments, but of course the snowflakes can be on the tree because it's gonna be a Valentine's tree. So I think I'm gonna leave the cascade that I have in the front of the tree and take off all the other ornaments. Valentine's mood. You can see my glasses. They are from Target, only $1. And the shirt is from Five Below, $5.55. Okay, so I took off all the decorations from the Christmas tree. I decided to lift the cascade of 4 ornaments that I did because I think that's gonna give a little bit of a good touch. And then right here, I have from Dollar Tree some hearts. This one that says "Be My Valentine." I have this bear. I have signs that says love. I have more hearts. This one here, I have 2 of them. I got this hearts. It's a garland. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I have these pigs. They are 2 different, pink and red. I have this pig's hearts also. But I DIY many hearts, cardboard hearts. Look how beautiful they are. I put a stick Okay, so I make different sizes and different patterns. I have a video about that, so you can go and find it on my channel, and I can leave you the link back here. Look, this beautiful. I make so different them, so I don't want to have the same all the time. Let me get some more. This one is pretty simple. This has feathers. This with hearts. I make some large, medium, and some small. This one I just put glitter on it. Okay. This one. And this hearts that I got also on, this heart I got it on Hobby Lobby. It's 40% off. Like I pay like $170 for a package, and I put a bamboo stick on it. So I'm gonna use, I made 2 of this one and 2 of this one to give a little touch. And for the top, I leave some ornaments. I'm not pretty sure if I'm gonna leave all that, because I'm gonna make a ribbon with this ribbon that I have, and this one that I got at I think this is from Walmart. It's $4.98, but I got it for 50% off. That is pink, and I'm gonna make a ribbon for the top. And I also got this skirt on Hobby Lobby, $35.99, but I got it for 70% off. So I got it. So I want to use it next year. I want to use it next year. So a DIY, or maybe for the Christmas tree. But I think it will look nice if I put it now under the tree, under the Valentine's tree. Okay. And this was a gift my husband gave to me last year on Valentine's Day, with some flowers and chocolate. And I want to use it for my Valentine's tree decoration. So this is the first one that I'm gonna put. I think it's gonna be like here maybe. Here you can use some ties. Like that. Yeah, like it's going down to the cascade balls ornament. So now I'm going to start putting all the stuff that I just showed you. only decorate, mostly I decorate the front of the tree. I just put a little bit of stuff in the back because of the mirror that I have there, but mostly I did in the front. I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment, tell me what you think about it, and also you can share with friends and family. You can also go and find some videos that I did. I did some beautiful arrangement. This is one of it. I'm in love with it. You can use it to decor or also to give it as a present. I have also this one, the knob, some chocolate kisses because it's kiss time, and this one also. Everything on this one is from Dollar Tree, and from the first one that I show you, the three of them are mostly from Dollar Tree materials. Only the butterflies are from Temu, and it turns amazing. I think I'm gonna put this under the tree to give a little bit of touch. I also did some Valentine's trees. You can also go and watch that video. So thank you very much. Kisses and hugs. See you in the next one. Bye.